Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Saralla, consultant homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. So what are the signs and symptoms of dandruff? The first sign and symptom of dandruff, everybody knows this, is flaking or production of white scales or grayish white scales on your scalp, which gives the appearance of a powder or a powdery appearance on the hair. Next one is redness or itching. See, not every person who is suffering from dandruff will suffer from itching or will have redness. But remember, up to 80% cases show itching and up to 60% cases show redness in the scalp region. As you can see here, the redness is not very profound, it is very light pinkish in color. But remember, if you're having areas of redness, that means you will be having areas of tenderness as well. That means whenever you're touching your scalp with your hand or you're combing, if you have red area in that, red area on your scalp, whenever you're combing or whenever you're touching, whenever you're oiling your scalp, you will feel a little bit of tenderness, and some people feel a little bit of pain during the process. And not only that, if you have dandruff, the other symptoms will be, see, not all dandruffs are dry, not all dandruffs are oily. Some people will tell you to have oil on your scalp, some people will tell you do not oil your scalp. There are different types of dandruff and different types of treatment for each type of dandruff. So in dry dandruff, we will be having scales which are dry and flaky, but in oily, there is a different condition. So in oily dandruff, you will be having greasy scales on your scalp, okay? But in dry dandruff, you will be having a powdery look, whereas in oily dandruff, you will be having greasy scales. Whenever you're having greasy scales, remember that the oil production is more. So whenever you touch your hair, it will be a little bit oily, and oily scales or oily dandruff will be more prone to redness and itching rather than dry one. Dry one will have more of breaking in the skin, little bit of minor breaks or cuts can be found in the skin if it is severe. But the oily dandruff, you will be having greasiness, you will be having something called as weeping. So what is weeping? Weeping is not shedding of tears, but in dandruff, weeping is something when there is a over exfoliation of the scalp. Whenever you touch that part or whenever you touch the over exfoliated part, it will be red, it will be tender, and it can ooze a little bit of serous fluid. So that is called as weeping. Some fluid will be coming out from that area if you pick that flake. So that is called as weeping. So what are the signs and symptoms of dandruff? Dandruff has itching, it has redness, it has flakes which are grayish or whitish in color, it has tenderness, and not only that, it is greasy as well, and also it will have a weeping tendency or a little bit of fluid, serous fluid oozing from the flakes. Coming into the consultation part of Fidicus. Here at Fidicus, if you're suffering from dandruff, if you have seen our video and you would like to get in touch with us, we have two types of options for you. One is the online option and then is the offline option. So what is online option and what is offline option? If you're staying far away from the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can contact us through two medias. One is audio consultation, the next one is video consultation. And not only that, we provide you with our highest good rated medicines which will come to your doorstep, or we do home deliveries. Like, for example, if you are in India and you would like to get in touch with us, you have had a doctor consultation, the medicines that we provide will reach you within 3 to 4 days. If you are in USA, it will take 3 to 5 business days. If you are anywhere away from USA or from India, it can take up to 4 to 8 business days. If you are staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and visit us offline. You can bring your investigations, show us, have a doctor consultation. You can contact us at Fidicus through this number. You can call us or message or WhatsApp us through this number. If you're suffering from dandruff, you have seen this video, you have homeopathy doctors near you or in your street as well. But why do you want to take a chance? Here at Fidicus, we have highest chance of health. That means we follow 3 principles. What are those? The medicines that we give you are top notch, and also the personal care that we give you here, the personal counseling or the nutritional advices we give you here are top notch, and the success rate is really high. And the treatment is very transparent. That means there is no grayish area between the patient and the doctor. We have black and white area where we'll be telling you the treatment options, how we are going to treat you. So next time if you want to opt homeopathy, try Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.